Now we're going to take a look at task lists. A task list is something similar to a work order. When you have a repair job to do, you normally create a work order to spell out the parts and the labor that you're going to need to complete the job. However, there are many small repair jobs that you do that you know exactly how much you're going to charge the customer. So there's really no reason, if you can get verbal approval to do the job, that you have to create a work order. So in this case, we give you task lists, and the first thing you have to do is set up the task list. So you go to tools, and let's say we're going to create a task list to start up a pool heater. So you're going to go to manage task lists, click it, and let's just take a look at one because I've set it up just to save time. And to create the task list is really simple. You put in a name for the task list, something that you will recognize, and then you put in how much you want to charge for this particular job. And then all you have to do is spell out the individual tasks that make up that job. Then you scroll to the bottom. You can put in some notes here for the tech, and this will display on the route sheet when he opens up the tasks. Then you click submit. That's it. That's all it takes. I'm going to cancel out because I've already created that. Now we can go look at service requests. So I click on Task Manager, Service Requests, and let's see, we have a service request here from Kyle. So let's take a look at it. And amazingly, it's for a pool heater repair. So for the first time this year, he tried to use his pool, but the water was cold. Looks like the heater is not working. It's probably just not started. It's a small job. So what we'll do is scroll to the bottom, and you see where it says assign a task list. You simply drop down and then select the task list that we created, start pool heater, and click submit. That's it. Now you've attached that task list to that service request. So let's go back to service requests, and now we can schedule this. And in fact, I'm going to schedule it for today so we can actually take a look. I'm going to schedule it between 10 and 11, and I click submit. So now that job will appear on the pool tech's route sheet. So let's take a look and see. You can see what it looks like. And here's the task. Now when the pool tech clicks on log tasks, what he's going to get are all the tasks that you specified on the task list. So now he can click them off as he does them, and then just as would happen with a work order, he can finish the rest of the task and then click submit. Now when all the labor tasks on the task list are done, that job is cleared and all the charges are then released for billing, and the customer actually won't be billed until the next time they're scheduled to be billed, but those charges will accumulate out there with the other charges that make up the invoice. And that's all there is to using a task list. It's very similar to a work order, but it saves time.